Today on Sci Guys, Can Crush.
What's up, guys? I'm Philip Jose Pusing.
I'm Pamela Escola, and for today's video, we will investigating how to harness the power of air pressure to create an implosion that will crush a can by simply heating water inside it and quickly cooling.
But to complete this experiment, we should first wear our PPEs, and our main materials are empty can, beaker, and cold water.
So let's go!
Air pressure is the amount of force that gas particles exert on their container or environment.
Let's start.
The first step in our experiment is to take some cold water and fill up our bowl.
The second step of our experiment is to pour about 100 milliliters of water into the can. Turn your stove to medium-high heat and place your can with the water in it in the center of the burner. Leave it there until you see water vapor coming out of the top. Now quickly dunk your can into the water.
Let's look at this experiment a little closer. Before we heat our can, it's filled with liquid water and gaseous air molecules. Heating our can adds energy to our liquid water. The more energy we give our water molecules, the more excited they get, and the further apart the molecules spread. Once enough energy has been added to our liquid water, it changes state from a liquid to a gas. This gas is called water vapor. As our water vapor fills our can, it presses against the sides of our can, creating an increase in pressure. When we place our hot can upside down in our cold water, all the water vapor molecules that fill our can get really close together and turn into a few drops of liquid water. This liquid takes up a lot less space than a gas. Water in its liquid state doesn't exert nearly as much pressure on the inside of the can as it did in its gaseous state. At this point in our experiment, the outside atmospheric pressure is much higher than the pressure inside the can. In nature, pressures want to be balanced or in equilibrium. This imbalance causes the can to violently collapse, creating a balance between the pressure inside and outside of the can. This violent collapse toward the center of the can is called an implosion.
Thank you.